my family vlog. Thanks for watching my video and supporting me. Welcome to my Onam special videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make Pulissery. This is called Pazham Pulissery or Banana Pulissery. This is very important dish for Onam. If you like this video, please click on like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please do subscribe. Come with me to the kitchen. For this we need coconut, chili, mustard, sugar, garlic, curd, dry chili, curry leaves, salt, cumin seeds, pepper, turmeric and banana. First we'll cut the banana like this. Heat a pan and pour some water. Add turmeric and banana. Cook for some time. Now take a mixing jar and put coconut. Add cumin seeds. Pepper. Chili and garlic. Grind it well. My coconut mix is ready. Now add salt. Add sugar. Now add coconut mix. Add some water. Add curd. Cook in medium flame. Once it is boiled, off the flame. Now take another pan and pour some coconut oil. Put mustard. Now put dry chili. Now put curry leaf. Add this to the curry. And banana pulissery is ready. This is a very important dish for Onam. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.